Hello everyone, I'm Sagar Upreti and this semester I along with Shreya, Dipesh and Nista from Kathmandu University performed a research on interface evaluation of Public Service Commission web portal using HCI design principles, tools and techniques. In this video, we will go through different stages of our research work from problem identification and survey to case analysis, design and testing. During the initial days of our research, we found that, like most governmental sites of Nepal, general public and mostly civil aspirants had to face a lot of hassles accessing the online portal of the Public Service Commission, also known as the Lok Seva Ayog. It had congested UI, poor design, improper feedback mechanism, and included redundant input fields, giving the users a bad user experience. That's why we plan to identify such issues on the existing portal and improve it using latest HCI principles and evaluation techniques. Starting off, we performed a literature review to understand the online job portal system in Nepal and a few other countries. In particular, we studied the portal of National Career Service of India and USA jobs from the US, which were created to search and apply for federal jobs in these countries. This gave us a clear idea of new designs pattern, key focus areas, and helped us in identifying the needs of a modular design. The stakeholders of the Public Service Commission portal are different bodies of government of Nepal and general public, mostly consisting of civil service aspirants. To get started with our design, we first conducted a survey from our targeted users via Google Forms and collected responses from 30 diverse individuals, mostly aged between 15 to 30. The results from this survey clearly showed that the unsatisfactions of users with current portal while accessing online form, getting updates, and navigating through the contents of the interface. A user persona was created to understand our target users and identify the needs. Based on the feedbacks and results from our survey, we designed our prototype and iterated it over time to get additional feedback from the users. Most of the times, users were satisfied with our paper prototype. After that, we used Don Norman principles and Nelson's usability attribute to analyze the portal and make necessary adjustments. Showcasing only main contents on the homepage, improving visibility of the system. Clear and concise feedbacks were provided to the users on input fields. Likewise, constraints were imposed to make users less prone to error. For this, only limited and vital information were asked to the users. The navbar and buttons were made more consistent across the portal. Similarly, real-world symbols and icons for translations and login sign-up were imposed respectively to maintain mapping and afforance. We also designed the portal implementing Nelson's usability attributes to increase learnability, memorability, reducing possible errors, and increasing user satisfaction and efficiency. After all analysis and constant feedbacks from the end users, a final UI design was made in Figma. The portal was made using modular approach and minimalist design. The form only contained necessary input fields with proper feedback mechanisms. Translations to Nepali language were accurate. Applicant details and dashboard were made elegant and easy to use. Finally, we performed post-evaluation using retrospective think-aloud method. The results from the final survey showed the incrementation in user satisfaction by over 85% from finding necessary contents, reducing cognitive load, improving navigation, and implementing proper feedback mechanisms. Lastly, we would like to extend our sincere gratitude to our assistant professor, Mr. Sushil Shrestha sir, for giving us this wonderful opportunity and guiding us throughout the research project.